This conference will now be recorded.
Right. In the last class, we are working on the register and login functionality, but unfortunately, whenever I'm explaining about register function, suddenly we lost the power. So, okay, understand everybody? That means I lost the internet, not power. We lost the internet. So we are going to discuss from there only. So one more time, I'm explaining about this bcrypt. This is for what purpose? As a programmer, you should not read the user's password. You should not read the user's password. So to encrypt that password, we need to use bcrypt. This is JWT is for web token purpose. This is for login purpose. Whenever the user is login, so to know that to the application, okay, whenever the user is login, application has to know that purpose we need to raise a token. Okay, everybody. For example, if you enter any hotel, okay, some hotels you need to first take in the token. That means just because of taking token, your hungry won't fulfill. But whenever anybody sees the token, okay, you are a authenticated person. You purchased a product, so they will deliver you that product. Same thing here also. Whenever there is a token in the available in the application, whenever there is token is available in the application, then application knows, okay, user is logged in. And in order to manipulate the users collection, already we have created a model. Okay, right. To manipulate that users collection, we need to use this user only. Understand everybody? Now if you observe here export, we are exporting this, and whenever we are importing, okay, there we need to use curly braces. Understand everybody? Respond please. Okay. Then after async req comma res. So req stands for request, res stands for response. So request which is coming from the front end, response which has to go to front end. This is coming from front end, response which is going to front end from the Node.js. Okay, everybody. So from the front end, what is the thing we'll get? We'll get the data, form related data. So wait 1 second. See here everybody, this is what register for user purpose. So from the front end, what you will get? Body. What is that everybody? Body. Observe here in our front end, in our SRC, in our scenes, in our login page, there is a form.jsx. Right everyone? There is a form.jsx. So this everything, how are we sending? How we are sending? Body colon form data. What is that everybody? Body colon form data. So this body has to be available here. Okay, right. So give me a second everybody. Give me a second kindly.
This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, right. So what is this? Form data coming through body. So here we need to use this req.body. From here we are destructuring all these variables. Understand everybody? So this method I am handling through try catch method. What is that everybody? Try curly braces catch. So catch always hold the error. So whenever there is an error, what is the thing I need to do? That response also I need to send. So whenever there is a problem, something to send to server, something. Okay, whenever there is a problem in the request, to send a request, we will get some problem. That problem status will be 500. So to send server, if we are facing to send some information to the server, we are facing some issues. Okay, that is the status number is 500. We have sent the data, but that is incorrect data. That status comes under 400. To send there is a problem, that is 500. After sending data there is a problem, that is 400. Okay, right. and we are converting to JSON method only. But what are we doing there? See here, just for future reference purpose, I am writing like this. Const first name equal to req dot body dot first name, const last name equal req dot body dot last name. Okay, everybody, in the same way everything also. So I am destructuring here from here. Below code is the shortcut for these two lines. Understand everybody? Instead of writing const first name, const last name, req dot body dot first name, req dot body dot last name, what I am doing, I am destructuring here. What is that, everybody? Destructuring here, req dot body. Understanding or not? Then after, what is the thing I need to do? I need to generate the gen salt. Why the gen salt will be available? Why we need to use the gen salt? Because we need to encrypt the password. To encrypt the password, it requires a random number. What is that? It requires a random number. To get that random number, we need to use this bcrypt.gensalt method. What is it, everybody? bcrypt.gensalt method. Const salt equal to await. What is that, everyone? Gensalt. What is that? Await bcrypt dot gensalt. What is that, everybody? bcrypt dot gensalt. Understanding or not? Respond, everybody. So then after, what is the thing I need to do? I need to hash this password. Hashing is what? Encrypting the password. What is it, everybody? Encrypting the password. So right here, const password hash equal to await decrypt dot. What is that? What is that? Hash method. What is it, everybody? Hash method. See it? Decrypt dot hash method. So what? Which one I need to enhance? Which one I need to hash? Password. To hash this password, we need to use this salt. Understanding or not? Respond, everybody. Okay, everybody, right. Then after, what is the thing I need to do? In order to insert the data, first of all, we need to collect the data. Already we have collected here. Then what is the thing I need to do? I need to initialize that data. What is that, everybody? I need to initialize data. So that purpose I am using here user method. What is that, everybody? User. This will represent the what? Users collection. We need to create an object for that. This entire process I am storing in a variable called const new user. What is it, everybody? Const new user. Understand it, everybody? Respond. So there, what I am doing, this everything I am using. What is that? First name colon first name, last name colon last name. This is a shortcut. Email password colon what? Not directly password. What I am sending? Password hash. What is it, everybody? Password hash. Then after, picture path colon picture path, friends, location, occupation. What is this viewed profile and impressions? To generate a random number, because I want to display a field called viewed profile. How many persons has viewed? How many impressions they have? Okay. So to that purpose, I am just generating a static number dynamically. Static number dynamical. Okay. Right. That purpose need to use math.float math.random into 10,000. So it will generate any number between 10,000. Clear it, everybody? Same here also. Then after, what is the thing I need to do? I need to save this. What is that, everybody? New user. What is this? This one. New user dot save. Save is a predefined method in MongoDB that is used to insert data. Okay, everybody, that is used to store the data. Okay, this entire process I am writing here. Saved user. What is that, everybody? Const saved user. Equal to. Then after, what is the thing I need to do? I need to send this response. Okay, remember. Okay, everybody, remember, to send, sorry, to retrieve all the data, status will be 200. To send the new data, status will be 201. Okay, everybody, right. What is the thing I need to send? This one. What is that? Saved user. This one I need to send here. Okay, everybody, right. Then after what other thing I need to do is we need to import in the index.js. What is it, everybody? Index.js. So see here, everyone. Since we have exported without default, what is the table without default? We have exported. That's why I'm writing this line called import curly braces register dot slash control slash object.js. Then after this file will contains an image. That's why any URL containing 6001. First of all, it will come to this index.js. After that 6001, if any URL is containing auth, that will go to this controller source.js. In the controller source.js, how many methods we have? Register also, login also. What is that, everybody? Login also. If any URL is containing register, that will go to this register method, which we have imported here. Register. With what it will go? With the upload dot single dot picture also. There is a picture also. Understanding it, everybody? Right. Understanding or not? That's fine, everyone. So now what the thing we will do is, first of all we will check. Okay, everybody. First of all we will check whether it is inserting or not into our database. Okay, everybody. Later we will complete the login. Okay, understand, everybody? Right. So first of all we need to start our application. What is this? Nodemon space index.js. Understand, everybody? Right. Then after in the front end, we need to start npm start also. What is that, everybody? Npm start. And let me drink water. See, everyone, by default we will get the login page. What is it, everybody? Login page. Wait 1 second. It's taking a little time. What is this? Login page. Don't have an account. What I am writing here? Sign up here. That means register. This is our beautiful page. Now what is the thing I need to do is, wait 1 second. Yes. Go to this MongoDB Atlas. What is that, everybody? MongoDB Atlas login. Actually, if it is going to login page, it is inserting. But to show you practically, I am logging here. Okay, right. (23) and observe our backend related, our backend related, public related assets folder also. There is no Prabhas poster. Understand everybody? There is no Prabhas. I will insert that Prabhas image only. Oh my God, what is this? Hey, give me a second. It is loading. See, online people, whenever my voice is breaking, please let me know immediately, okay? Not after some time. Now click on the database, look at the screen. Yes. Click on the browse collections. Observe the users collection. Observe the users collection. What is the name? Some guy. Understand everybody. Totally how many records we have? 8. Remember. Then after test me. Then after Harvey Dunn. Then after Jane Doe. Then after Steve Ralph. What are doing? Jessica Dunn. Carly Vowell. So there is no Indian name. Now I am registering with my name. First name Ramesh. Last name Babu. What is that everybody? Babu. Location Hyderabad. Occupation teacher. Desktop, wait 1 second. Prabhas image I am dragging and dropping here. Look at Prabhas.jpg. Name also I am showing. Email Ramesh at the rate gmail.com. What is that everybody? At the rate gmail.com. Password I am writing as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click on register. Not now. Done registering. Wait 1 second. Go to the console area. Input to be controlled. This is likely caused by the changing value undefined value. What happened? Decide between using controlled or uncontrolled input for lifetime. Right. Now let's come here. Database, browse collections. Users. Previously we have 8. Now see we have what? 9. Ramesh Babu. Ramesh at the rate gmail.com. Password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understand everybody? This is the encryption password. 8. Password I have entered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we are getting here as encryption password. Understanding or not? Respond everybody. Respond please. What are we getting? Encrypted password only. So no need to worry about this. It will redirect once. Let me complete the login method because I did not complete anything related to login. Understand everybody? So it is registering here successfully. No need to worry about this, and no need to worry about this thing also. So once this, since we are finding the evidence that it is registering, then what is the thing we need to do immediately? Login function. What is that everybody? Login function. So first of all, what is the thing we'll do? We'll complete the backend related login function. What is that everybody? Backend related login function. We need to start from the index. Okay, everyone? Right. So this is the register. Wait 1 second. Now what is the thing I'm doing? Yeah, observe here. This Prabhas also observe. our backend related Prabhas. Whatever the image I have uploaded, that is coming here. Previous it is not there. Understanding or not? I have uploaded what Prabhas image only. Previous it is not there. Whenever I click on the upload, image also coming here. Okay, and if you observe there, path also see there. Viewed profile, yeah. Picture path is what? Prabhas.jpg. Understanding or not? Okay, everything is working. Nothing is pending. Only thing is login functionality only. That is also we'll complete now. First we'll complete the backend related thing. Then after we'll go to the front end. It will be easy for us. So now open previous related backend related index.js. Okay, everybody, right. So first of all, in order to work with the index.js, in our roots, we need to create a folder. We need to create a file. What is that, everybody? Auth.js. What is that, everybody? Auth.js. Of course, yesterday also we did, or else by any chance if it is deleted, one more time do it if you forgot. Understand, everybody? Don't get confused. Backend roots. I am writing here what? Auth.js. In this roots, what do you think I am doing? Yes, yesterday also I did it. One more time doing it for you. I am sending to the login control. What is it, everybody? Login. See it. I am writing here express login method. From where? From here only. This login method, where it is? In the controllers. Understand, everybody? That one I am calling the roots. Understanding or not? Okay, roots. Then after all the functional related to express, I want to navigate through router only, because we are getting the form of REST APIs. So that purpose we need to use router here. Router.host. After 6001/auth, any method is containing login, any URL is containing login. That related thing we are sending to the login method. This login method belongs to here. Controllers.auth.js. Okay, everybody? Understanding, right, everybody? Now we need to configure this in our index.js. That purpose, what do you think I need to do is, I need to import this root slash auth.js. Observe here, everybody. What is that? Import any name we can write. What is that, everybody? Auth roots, ABC also we can write. But from where? From the /roots /auth.js. Okay, right. So this auth.roots I need to use. Where? Here. I will show you. Here only. Any URL is containing 6001 means for this index.js. After that, any URL is containing auth. It will go to where automatically auth roots only. But after all, there is a register. It will go to the register page, register function in the controller. But here, which is containing auth, that will go to first roots here. From this roots, it will go to this login. It will find the login because we have sent that login. Then after it will go to the login method. Okay, right. After going to the login method, what is the thing I'm going to do? I need to work with this login function. So first, what is the thing I need to do here? Try catch. Catch will contain error. Is the response we need to send if there is any problem to connect with the database or anything. Error message. Understanding it, everybody? Right. And if there is no problem, what is that, everybody? If there is no problem, what is the thing I need to do? I need to destructure that email and password, because user will enter what? Email and password. It will come from the front end req.body. Then after, what I think I need to do is, first of all, we will enter username and password at that same time only, email and password. But actually, how the professional programmer will check is, first of all, whatever the email you have entered, what is that? req.body.email, right? Okay. So first of all, whatever the email you have entered, so you will find with the user. Find one with what? Email : email. This one. req.body.email equal to what? Email only. This is the email which is in the database. This is the email which is in the which is coming from the front end. So that entire process I'm storing here user. So if it is there, find one. If it is there, it will return true. Understand everybody? Right. Now what I'm doing, if user is not there, what I'm writing here everybody, if user is not user, not user means what? If the user is not there, understand everybody, then what is the thing I'm sending? Status 400. What is the point I told? If there is a problem after sending the data, there is a problem. That means you have sent wrong data. You are able to send the data, but whatever the data you have sent is wrong. That status comes under 400. What is that? User does not exist. Okay, understand everybody? Right. Then after, what is the thing I need to do? After email is matching, then I took match this password. What is it everybody? Password. That purpose, what is the thing I'm doing? I'm declaring here a variable called is match. Understanding or not? Understand everybody? Await bcrypto dot compare. What is it everybody? Bcrypto dot compare. What I'm comparing? The password. Password means what? Which is coming from the user. What is the everybody? Which is coming from the user. So what is the password? You will enter there 1 2 3 4 5 6 only. But what is the password we have? Encrypted password. But what are you using here? Compare method. What is that compare method will do? It will generate the same hash code for this password. Then after it will compare. Understand everybody? 1 2 3 4 5 6 you have entered. So this compare method, what it will do? It will generate the same hash, same encryption key, and then after it will compare with the database related password. If it is matching, it's okay. Or else if it is not matching, if it is not matching, then what is the thing I will do? If it is not matching, same, you have entered wrong password, you have sent wrong data, then I am displaying a message as invalid credentials. Understand everybody? If there is no problem, what is the thing I will need to do? I need to send a token. I need to generate a token. Observe here everybody. I need to generate here a token. What is that? Const token equal to generate a token we use JWT dot sign. That is a predefined method. And what is the ID we have here? Underscore ID. What is that everybody? Underscore ID. So user dot means what? User collection. Dot underscore ID means what? That ID, user rated ID. That one I want to access through ID in the front end. The sign method will expect a string y to generate a token. It will generate a random number. Okay, so that purpose I'm writing any string you can write. Ramesh is a React.js teacher in Durgasoft. Anything we can write here. Understanding or not? Respond everybody. So then after whatever the password I have, okay, it is encrypted here, right? That means it is available in the session. That one I am deleting because nobody can hack that. Understand everybody? Respond please. We are not deleting from the database. Here only we are deleting. Okay. Then after, what is the thing we need to do? We need to send that response. What is it everybody? We need to send that response. What is that? Status is 200 because we are returning the data. Okay. And we are sending that token comma enter user also. Understanding or not? Respond everybody. Respond please. Okay. Right. And now we need to go to the front end. And the front end we made a mistake. What is that? Previously, whenever I click on the register page, it is not going to log in. Why? After register here, this response we are not using. Yesterday we have completed up to request sending only, but we did not done request using. Okay, everybody. So now let's. What is the thing we need to do? We need to go to this. See there. We are sending the response only. See it here. Fetch response, but we are not using the data here. And here also we are sending the data only, but you are not using the response there. Understand everybody? Right. So now that purpose, what is the thing we need to do is open previous rated form.js. Login page. Open this form.jsx. Now see here this response. What is that everybody? This response, which is coming from the backend. Here I need to use, because in the auth.js here we are sending this response 201. This one need to hold here. Understand everybody? Because this fetch method, not only it will send the request, it will get the response also. So now in order to hold that, I'm writing here what? These two lines. First line is for saved user response.json. Whatever the response I'm getting, that I'm converting to JSON method. Then after I'm storing in the saved user, and whatever the data I have entered in the front end, I enter the data here, right? I need to clear that. That's why I need to use here on submit props.reset form. Then after, what is the thing I need to do? Go to the login page. We need to write here what? If the user is saved, then I need to set the page type as login. Understand everybody? Then after, here I am sending the data to the login method, and from the login method I am sending the response also, this one 200 response. That is also I need to use. That purpose, what is the thing I need to do? I need to use these two lines. Logged in, await logged in response dot JSON method. Okay, everybody. Then after, however I enter here, all the data is available in the login also. Immediately I need to clear that on submit props dot reset form. Understand it, everybody? Then after, what I'm doing there, if the user logged in, what is that, everybody? If the user logged in, then after, what is the thing I need to do? I need to dispatch. What is that, everybody? I need to wait 1 second. Both I will write. That I am keeping here comments. Okay, I need to dispatch. What is that? Set login method, where it is available in the Redux state. Why? Because once the user is login, that user information I need to store in the user, which is related to set login. Once the user is login, token will be generated. That token I am storing in this token, which is related to Redux state. And then after, where should I navigate to the home page? But we don't have any home page. So let's take that, right there, const home equal to lambda expression return div tag h1 tag. This is home page, and export default home. Save it. Where everybody? Wait 1 second. In the scenes, but create a new folder as home page. Understand, everybody? In the home page, index.json. Understand, everybody? Right. Observe here also. Since only home page, index.jsx. Understand, everybody? Right. Now, what is the immediate thing we need to do? We need to open our yap.js. What is that, everybody? Yap.js open, and we need to create a root for. We need to create a root for our home page also. However, we are importing this login page, like that we need to import home page. And what is that, everybody? Home page from, wait 1 second. Home from home page slash index.js. This is the meaning. Whenever any folder, any folder is containing index.jsx, whenever we call that folder automatically, that index.jsx file will call automatically. Then after, we need to create a root for this. Path equal to double quotations slash home element equal to curly braces less than home greater than less than slash home greater than. Okay, everybody, right? Now everything is successfully compiled. Yes. Now observe here, everybody. Press the control C. And type there npm space start. Okay, right. And I forgot one thing, wait 1 second. I need to enable this navigate method because we have created now home page. Right, after login, we are storing the user and token. Then after immediately we need to navigate to home page. That purpose only I have created now just a home page only. Understanding or not? Understand everyone? This home. Okay, everybody? Right. Once it is completed, we will conclude our today class. Okay, right. Wait 1 second. After the class also, please wait. Online and offline. Now wait few seconds. It will come. See it, everybody. Sign up. Okay, everyone. Now already I have signed up there. So I am writing here what? Ramesh@gmail.com. What is the password? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Login. Understand it, everybody? Login also completed. Okay, everybody, no errors also. So that's it, everybody. Registration completed. Login also completed. Okay. This is the class for today, everybody. Tomorrow we'll design the home page. Next class we'll design the home page. Wait 1 second. Online and offline.